How to get all Blooks in Blooket. Looking to collect every Blook in Blooket? Let's break down the legit ways to unlock them. So step 1, default Blooks. Everyone starts with the basic avatars like dog, cat, and owl. No coins needed. Step 2, earn coins by playing games. Spend them in the market to buy packs like Space or Wonderland. Each pack gives random Blooks, so keep playing to collect all of them. Step 3, event Blooks. These are released during seasonal events like Halloween or spring. They're limited time, so join events to grab them before they disappear. Step 4, legendary and mystical Blooks. These are rarest, some drop from packs at very low odds, while others are only available through tournaments or giveaways. Step 5, community. While Blooket does not support trading, communities sometimes host giveaways or competitions. Patience and consistent play are key to collecting them all. To unlock all Blooks, play games for coins, buy packs, join events, and aim for rare drops. Mystical Blooks are the hardest, but persistence pays off.